What happens when two hurricanes collide? Do they become one giant hurricane or do they both start to die out? Well, this type of phenomenon actually does happen on planet Earth, but it's a little bit different than what you might think. We call this the Fujiwara effect. And what happens is when two hurricanes start to get close enough to one another, approximately 900 miles apart, they start to dance around a common center. This type of phenomenon actually happened earlier this week out in the Eastern Pacific. Two tropical storms, Amelia and Fabio, started to interact with one another and started to rotate around each other, but what ultimately ended up happening was Amelia won the battle and started to fizzle out Fabio. This is the most common outcome of the Fujiwara effect, is where the stronger of the two storms starts to absorb the other storm, but there are different outcomes. Another outcome is where the two storms rotate around each other and then just spin off and go on their own separate paths. And on the very rare occasion, you could get the two storms to absorb into one another and become a larger, stronger hurricane.